Most vibe coders are a little scared of Git. They commit rarely, they avoid branches, and when something goes wrong, they panic. Here's the reframe. Git matters more in the AI age, not less. Because when an AI is writing your code, Git is what lets you snapshot before it touched this and get back if something goes sideways. So here's the mental model. Git is a save system with history. In a word processor, save overwrites the previous version. Git save is different. It takes a snapshot of the project at this moment, keeps it, and lets you keep working. The snapshot stays. You can have hundreds of them. Here's your daily loop. It's really just 3 commands: status, add, commit, forever. Once you do this 10 times, it's muscle memory. So the first command is get status. It tells you what changed since the last snapshot. Files you've modified, files you've added but not committed yet, brand new files Git doesn't know about yet. Run this anytime you're not sure where you are. The output looks intimidating the first time, but by the 10th time, it's friendly. Second command, git add. This moves your changes from I've changed these into I'm about to commit these. 2 forms, git add followed by a file name adds 1 file, or git add followed by a dot adds everything that's changed. Vibe coders use git add dot 95% of the time, and that's fine. Third command is get m-m. Then a message in quotes. This is the snapshot itself. After you run it, Git status shows a clean working tree, your snapshot exists, and you can keep going. That's the loop. Now, let's talk commit messages. See, a real commit message versus a useless one. Updated stuff, fix, whip, changes. You see, these tell you nothing. 3 months from now, useful, add login form to sign up page, fix password validation regex. See, if you read this message 3 months later, you'd know what this commit looked like. So when to commit? Every time you finish a meaningful chunk. You got a feature working? Commit. Fixed a bug? Commit. About to try something risky? Commit first. And the Vibe Coder specific rule worth saying out loud is before you ask the AI to do anything significant, commit. One last piece. Not every file in your project should live in Git. .gitignore is a file in your project root that lists what Git should pretend doesn't exist. Starter list for Vite project should be node modules, .env, .env.local, all your environment variables, all that fun stuff. The hard rule of this lesson is never commit your .env file. Your .env contains secrets. That's it. Status add commit. Real messages, .env and .gitignore. You have a safety net now. Use it, commit early, commit often, especially before you let AI loose. Now, we'll talk about branches to let the AI experiment safely.